Same as the fish. Here, let it run some more. No, don't set it. Don't set it. Just... There you go.
Got it?
Don't let any slack get in your line. Because if slack gets in your line, that's where you die. No. Sam, don't pump. Just keep pressure on the fish and see. Don't let your rod go slack. Don't reel. Dude, play him and don't let any slack get in the line. Look at that.
And if you're wondering where we are, we're in the same place as we were yesterday.
Yeah, we're back tomorrow, today, as you're seeing it. So.
Ooh.
Sam, don't let slack in the line. That's how you're gonna lose him. Is it bass? Is it?
What?
Here, I got him.
It might be your PV.
Nope. Yeah, that is. It's a pretty good one.
It's not quite. That's quite as big as mine.
That's a nice one.
That's a 4.5.
That's a 4. Nice job, dude.
And I still have my bait.
Let's call this 4.5. That's a good one, dude. Here, you still got the bluegill. Look at that fish.
Fast at it.
Take an underwater look at him.
Hugging the bottom.
Mean bass.
4.5, dude. I want a feeling.
It's 4.5. Here. Your biggest bass, bro.
My biggest is 6.5, and I caught it yesterday. No,
Got
don't hold it from the tail.
There you go. Here, let's get a nice little B-roll. Here, hold him. Put one hand on this.
Yeah, on the
like
lip.
there.
All right. Here, Sam, hold
Here,
him
hold
like
him
this.
like this. Yeah,
All
put one hand there.
I'm
All right,
this.
you hold
Yeah,
him
like
like
that.
that.
Now let Sam do it.
All right.
Okay. Nice job,
You ready?
dude.
Good job, dude.
Jake caught his PB. Maybe I can catch something bigger than 7 pounds, 5 ounces. What if I do that?
Yeah, dude.
That's a nice one,
All
dude.
of
Give
us
me
would think for a
some.
PB.
Good job, dude. You ready to let him
good
go?
thing is,
Yeah.
here, good thing is, you still have the bait.
Here, so we got. Oh, he has another bump on his hip. Oh, yep, he's been feeding on the bottom. Okay, very careful. Hey, let him get a shot on his head. Like, put him right under here. Okay.
I got you.
Give me some, Sam. PB first fish. Just like yesterday, but we might not catch as big. So, yeah, we'll catch some more fish, buddy. Okay, guys, I got a fish right here. Oh. I'm gonna try.
He let go.
You did?
Yeah. I had something biting at it. Something nibbled right around it. Yep. There you go.
Oh well, we thought we had a fish. It's okay, guys. We'll get it next time. Okay, guys, so Sam, he just caught the next fish. He's the only one who's catching anything. And you might actually have one on that pole, but I don't know. So, the bait that did it, Rapala, Skitter Walk. What is this? Rapala Jigger? Let's call it. Jigger. See that fish? Let's get him. There we go. Look at that guy. Pretty nice one. See how just hold it like this. There you go. Pretty nice one. You gonna let him go now?
I got him. I got it.
Nice job. Okay, guys. So Sam just caught another fish. He's kind of beating us on the same thing. He just throwing it out the middle. He's just casting it straight out to the middle. Jake's using this $25 mega bass. He's just using like a little $5 bait and killing him. Get it out?
No.
Oh, well, you kind of hooked yourself.
Where? Like right there?
No.
Here. Hold this.
Just cast straight.
Get it
Just
on.
cast
Sam,
straight
Sam.
out.
Yeah, he's a pretty nice one. Ooh. You got it pretty nice.
I let him nibble it.
Hey, Sam, we got one.
Here, Drake, you take care of that fish. Okay, so that was go. Don't let slack get in the line. You're gonna lose him. Keep going. Reel.
I think I lost him.
Nope, he's still on. Reel. Go.
I can't. You're pulling my line out.
You gotta reel though. think you lost him. Nah, I can't feel anything. Yeah. At least we know they're still in here. If you don't have your bait, then... Yeah, you have your bait. Oh, never mind. Oh, no, you still have your bait. Can you throw it back? Alright, well... Oh, I think I have one. My line's doing something weird. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Oh, yeah, I think I have one. Oh. Here, hold this. Sam.
Here, I want to throw your bass bucket in the water.
Don't do that.
No, leave him. Here, Jake.
3.
Go.
It's back on.
Okay, guys, we got another game.
Finally got yours, Will. Wait, let's see if we can double ice one.
That's nice.
No.
We found it.
How deep did he get that in there?
Look at that, guys. Got that pretty deep. Oh, it wasn't even very on it. Look at that. Just hold it right. You're a good camera. Oh, look how far he got the shad. Dude, he has a shad in his.
You got him through his gill plate.
I didn't get him through. Okay. I don't know if you can see. There's a shad down in there. There's a shad in there. Or just see, I can just see the little tail of it. He came off a little shad, so. And here's Sam's. His is about a pound. Mine's a little bigger. See, buddy? Okay, now we gotta get this one off. It's right here. Here, I'm gonna get him. Here, you wanna hold this? This guy hooked pretty good. I'm switching to a jerk there.
That's perfect. I feel bad for this guy. I hooked him 3 times.
There you go. Okay.
I want to release this guy.
There you go. Okay, I'm definitely switching to a jerk bait, no doubt. Ready? Release it real good. Don't let him go now. Ready? Woo! Hey guys, I just caught this monster. Okay, hold on. That's the biggest bass I've ever caught. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, you do?
Woohoo! Yes. Look how far I first cast with a Senko. Little tiny hook. Barely hooked him. A little tiny hook. Barely hooked him. What if this is my new PB? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Thank God that someone brought us
glad we
food.
came here, Jake.
Yeah, I know. I told you. You did not want to come
Oh,
here.
I love these scales. These ones are always right.
You have like a...
Will, you did not want to come here. You know that, right?
Hold on, let me tell it.
7, 8.
8 on the dot. Let's go.
Will, can I hold him?
Here.
Will, can I hold him?
Here, hold on a second. Come here. That's what I want.
He needs a bucket
Look.
mouth, Will.
Back up here. Look, I want you to hold him like that. Okay. Now hold him up like that. There you go.
Is that heavy? Yeah. Can I hold him there?
Jake, can you hold this?
I need to take a picture of this.
1, 2, 3.
My life.
Okay, y'all ready to release him, Will?
I'm releasing him.
That thing looks like a
It's my new PB, 8-pounder.
not 7, 8.
That killed my personal best. No.
Underwater footage.
Thank you so much, buddy.
Do him like this. Get the water going through his gills. Yeah.
Try it.
Now let him go.
Yes. Okay, guys, I just got a nice little 2-3 pounder. And again, it's too small. I don't feel like weighing this fish. Caught him on a Senko. That's what I caught the last one on. Dipped the tail with some chartreuse. Hey, Jake, can you help me with this, please? So I'm gonna hook him right here in the corner on that little tiny hook. And I hooked the last one barely right in the top.
He spit it?
Sorry. Sorry. That was the next cast. Okay, guys, I just got this nice little pound fish, and yeah, maybe not. So probably about a pound. Sorry, I can't really record these catches unless they're on the big rods, cause so yeah, he just has to hand line. He can cast it, but I mean, it's not reeling for some reason. I mean, it should be fine. He just has to open up. That's what I saw too, but I mean, there's also a thing. So, yep, just Senko again. And yo, I can't really record with this. So. Yeah, he's a little bass. So he's got a back. What the heck? You just slapped me with that. Hey, buddy. I can't really. Yep. I can't really record. Yeah, kind of. And I dip the tails in chartreuse. I can't really record because I forgot my screw in. No. I forgot to bring my screw-in piece, so I can't really screw it onto the. Got one? Oh, set the hook. Oh, you got one. You did get one. There you go, buddy. I'm still so stoked that I thought just pull it out. Don't be nice, just rip it out. There we go. Like, don't rip it, just kind of. Oh, no, you don't. Okay. You want to go now? Yeah. There you go. Good job, dude. Hey, Sam. Okay, guys, this is one of our shad right here. He just got popped. Something hit our cast net and busted him out, and I just caught this little fish, so I'm going to kind of use him. Jake, can you try to get that shad back? Try to get it back. Dude, a bass just literally came and busted all our fish. There were 2 of them. I thought he was stuck in the cast net. I saw him messing around with it. Okay, Jake, just pull it on. Can you get it? Can you go in? No, I'm not going in. Okay, so I caught a little tiny fish. It's all right. Yeah. I don't know how many fish I've caught. I'm so sorry I can't show you the catches because my chest mount, I like left it at our house, so I can't record. So every fish I just gotta do this on it. See the fish, it's pretty nice, and caught him on the Senko again. It's the only thing we've caught fish on today, other than live bait. So nice little tiny fish.